everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on imbewu, the seat from the 31st of October to the 4th of November 2022 on Monday. Zageti unloaded to Nozi about her fears around Maharaj owning a significant share of Malutu. Punyuka tells Nkululeko that a child was registered at the orphanage by someone using the name Violet Vilakazi. The commune celebrates the sale of Msamo Tando and Bali are thrown out of the church meeting for scrambling on Tuesday. Nkululeko checks his next move with Mandlovu before taking the chief matron hostage. Sia offers Nozi help to escape Maharaj's vice, but she rejects it. The ladies agree to confront Big Sister together, but he stands them when he dumps them both on Wednesday. Esther Buhle runs into Fikile at Msamo and is further confused when Fikile says she wants nothing to do with the Bengals. Nkululeko is briefly detained by the police but is eventually released. Baby Nozi is finally reunited with her parents on Thursday. Nozi thinks her baby has been kidnapped again. Nozi rages at the Bengals when an unexpected guest arrives. Mzwandile is planning something unexpected, but is he making the right decision? All demons return for an ignorant Zitulele on Friday. Zagesi finally comes clean to a shocking Shria. Tusheleni managed to get Lindo to do his dirty work for him. Nkululeko find out who is behind Nozi's banner phone. Kanyo get an offer that she is happy to accept. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.